Netflix's K-pop Demon Hunters took the internet by storm. Fashion, fighting, and fierce choreography. This is K-pop like you've never seen before. But what if I told you you could create your own K-pop MV just like this?
전기가 번쩍 숨결마저 리듬을 타 터질 듯한 이 순간 넌 준비했니?
Today I'll show you how I made this entire K-pop MV, from visuals to vocals, using only 3 tools: Midjourney, Suno AI, and DomoAI. Let's dive in. First, we start by designing our K-pop protagonist. Using Midjourney, I created a series of full-body and portrait images. Make sure to include different poses, outfits, and facial angles. To maintain consistency across scenes, I used omni-reference to guide style and details, so no matter the setting, our idol always looks the same. Next up, the music. I used Suno AI to create an original K-pop track. I followed the K-pop classic structure, verse line, pre-chorus, and hook, and chose a BPM around 128 or 132, perfect for dance cuts and high-energy editing, and electropop with strong beats, ideal for stage performance style. With the song and visuals ready, it's time to animate. Inside DomoAI, I used the talking feature. By uploading a close-up portrait and a vocal track, I generated a lip-synced performance video that makes it look like our AI idol is actually singing. To fill out the MV, I used DomoAI's images to video feature. I uploaded images to generate clips of our idol performing dance movements, spins, steps, and expressive poses, perfect for syncing with the beat. To spice things up, I ran some clips through DomoAI's video to video. I chose anime to add a stylized flair, great for dreamlike sequences or chorus explosions. Bonus tip: I used the subject-only mode to keep the real-world background while transforming only the character into anime style. This creates a beautiful contrast between fantasy and reality. It's a super fun. And there you have it, your full AI-powered K-pop MV, made from scratch with just Midjourney, Suno AI, and DomoAI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite scene. Want to see more AI music content? Let me know down below. For more feature updates and creative showcases, make sure to check out DomoAI's official social channels. And if you've made something cool yourself, we'd love to see it. Share it with the community on DomoAI on Reddit. Until next time, happy creating.